that time again. Another Universal Yums box has arrived. This month is from India. If you watched my last video, you know that India is a place that I would love to go to. So this is probably the closest I'm going to get for a little bit. In the meantime, I'm going to enjoy this box. But let's go ahead and crack her open. This is how your box comes every month. You've got stickers, your scorecard, as well as some really cool information about some of the cities and some of the information about some of the snacks. You've got your booklet inside. You have information about the country that you are taking a little snack tour on this month, and the trivia train. They have one about animals. I love animals, so let's go ahead and do that one. Which of the following animals were used as cavalry in the Mughal military? A, horses, B, camels, C, elephants, D, tigers. I'm gonna go with A and or C. So horses and elephants. And they said A, B, and C. Horses and camels and elephants. They weren't just for riding into battle either. One type of war camel called the, I'm gonna butcher this, embark, would be fitted with its own swivel gun mounted on its saddle. That is badass. A camel with a swivel gun? I would wreak havoc. I have to see pictures of that. Now my imagination just gone wild. Anyhow, they do have some information about the spices. Obviously, India is very well known for its spices like chili and coriander and cumin. Now for the fun part, actually getting into the snacks. And we are just gonna go down in the order that they're listed on the card. First one they have, Cornitos, nacho chips, tiki masala flavored. I love tiki masala. It does smell like tiki masala. They look like a Dorito. It's got just a little bit of heat, but not much. It's like so mild. They're thicker than a Dorito. I say that is a happy face. Next one they have listed, moong dal, fried and salted split yellow mung beans. So let's go ahead and take a look. So he thinks everything's for him, and it's not. They kind of have like a chickpea-like taste. Those are good. No heat to it. It just very much has like a bean-like taste. I'm happy with that. I'm gonna give it a happy face. Number 3, we have, it's either pataki, I don't know. It's a corn and rice snack. We'll keep it easy for this country girl. Looks like a Cheeto. It's weird, which I like. Don't get me wrong. I like these different kinds, but the chili is fine. I can taste the mint. Well, chutney my ass. I am really at a loss for words. I think if you like mint, it would be a winner for you. My first sad face. You may like it. For me, that's a no. Number 4, these tangy tomato corn snacks. Just looking at the package, it looks kind of like those bugles. I used to do those with my bugles. I'm not sticking it in my nose, but I'm just trying to get a smell. It's like a very subtle tomato smell. They're thick, which I like. Alright. I had like 0 heat. If you're worried about the spices in this box, it's been very mild. I'm gonna give it a meh face, kind of like in the middle. Next is number 5, cocoa-filled gourmet cookies. Oh, I wasn't expecting that. It came like in a long box. I was expecting like a tray. They come in like these little individually wrapped cookies. Let's go ahead and break it open. Oh, look at that goo. Oh, yes! That is good. Oh, look at how gooey that is. I will be eating all of that later today. And I have chocolate all over my scorecard. That is, without a doubt, a happy face. Now we have our last 2. It looks like they are in this yum bag. It looks like 2 of raw mango. And then we have cardamom flavored eclairs. Oh, that sounds unique. These mango ones are listed next. It kind of looks like a really big cough drop. It is hard. I think that's supposed to be the mango. It definitely tastes like mango. It is sweet. I'm smiles with it. Happy face it is. Our last one, the cardamom flavored eclair candies. It looks like kind of like a toffee. It smells so nice. Oh, I want to go to India so bad. You can instantly taste the cardamom. Wow. So I have to say I was a little hesitant. I haven't had anything that's ever flavored with cardamom. I'm kind of giving up on this whole coming in with a preconceived notion because there are just so many treats in these boxes that I'll read them like, I'm not gonna like it. I'm already gonna have like a bias against something. I have been pleasantly surprised by so many of these. This is another one I am very pleasantly surprised on. Happy face deserved. So that's our scorecard. We did pretty good this month. This one, we got one I don't like. But that's okay. This is still a really good box. And now here comes the hard part. I have to rank them. At the bottom, no brainer, these chili mint chips. After that, these ones I'm gonna put second to last. Because these ones also didn't have a lot of flavor for me, but I liked how unique they were. But these ones I'm giving a slight edge over in that I like the texture and the thickness of the chips just a little bit more. Number 4, the mango, which leaves our tikka masala chips, our cardamom eclair chew, and these cookies. I'm gonna go ahead and go with that as third place. Second place, because I'm still really shocked at how much I like this. I actually was really thinking again, insert my bias, that these weren't going to be so good, but they were delicious. And then of course I lost my freaking mind on these cookies. If you get anything out of this box, I without a doubt would recommend these. These are probably some of my favorite chocolate cookies I've gotten so far from Universal Yums. I love all the smells. I could just, with all the bags open, I can definitely smell all the spices. It's getting me so excited to one day go to India. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe if you want to see what I'm getting next month. Next month, I believe, is from Africa. We have a lot of boxes to look forward to the next few months. Let me know what you had enjoyed if you had gotten your box this month. What was your most favorite and least favorite? Or if you haven't or are not going to get a box, which I think you should, which one would you be most interested in trying first if you had a box? If you are interested in maybe trying a Universal Yum subscription, I will have my friend link in the description below. But in the meantime, have a great one and I'll see you next month.